Okay, here's the following problem. I have an Android smartphone and it's connected to the computer, and this folder called i4 and those two video files are visible on the smartphone but were not visible here on the laptop. What I did to make them visible on the computer also is to simply restart the phone. Press and hold the power button, power off and restart. OK to restart the entire phone. Disconnect the cable. Okay, so the phone restarted. Let's plug in the USB cable again. It should ask this one, USB connection. Tap allow to allow the access from the computer. And here we have G3, internal storage, the DCIM folder, DCIM, and here we have the i4 folder with the two videos.